Start digging in your butts when
I'll start this video in 3, 2, 1. Yo, what's up you guys, DJLL here. So today is American Thanksgiving. I'm filming this on American Thanksgiving. I do most of my stuff nearly in a day, except some things. But, so today I'm reacting to YouTube Poop Giving the Bird by MP Carlson. It's supposed to be a YouTube poop of the movie Freebirds, which, funny enough, my brother is literally out there in my living room watching that movie. I kid you not. And I found this YouTube poop through Driver Joe, who just uploaded the video, his reaction to it, because I'm in his Discord server. But anyways, this is going to be a little bit of a short reaction, but that's good enough with me, because I want to get this done and over with. I want to eat, and I want to watch football Bobby Boucher. Without further ado, let's get this reaction started in 3, 2, 1, play.
Please try again later.
what the
Alright, since my phone decided to tumble, let's restart that again. Let's start this reaction in 3, 2, 1, play.
I am
The Strangler! Free beer. Free beer.
We're going back in time.
Pompeii! Those are... That's a classic.
I was about to become dinner.
Mommy, let's go! We're going
Back in time to the first Thanksgiving.
That's Paul, who's getting a divorce. That's the girl who's getting a divorce. That's
She's just airing out everybody's business. It's been forever since I've watched the movie, actually, because, like, I watched it when I was a child. But it's... I mean, like, I'll probably rewatch it sometime, but, like, my brother is, like I said, he's literally out there watching the movie right now. Right here! Right now! But I might watch it later. Who knows? I might watch something else.
General Sagan. He's getting a divorce. That's Marcia. She eats General Sagan. Divorce.
Boy.
Do not make a sound. Will. We must do it together. Rapidly.
Chicken. Wait a minute. Why did I say chicken? Turkey yowie. I love to see it on this glorious day.
Whoa! Turkey porn?
Turkey porn. That's wild. Of course, I've seen more wild films, trust me.
Hold on. Hey, wait! It's me! Ryan, look out! We're jacking off.
Oh my god! My phone does not like me today, apparently. What the f though? You got turkey porn. Perfect transition of... I forgot what the bird's name was. I'll have to look this up. Getting ran over, then transitioning to Brian getting run over, and then turkey's jacking off. This is what we died for, apparently. This is what we colonized this place for. Huh.
That's right. We're furries. Who are you talking to? You.
Furries?
Hey.
I thought you said furries. What turkey yowie?
So we're going back in time.
That's right. It's called SAS.
Control, we have a contaminant. Copy that. Copy that.
Oh, that's disgusting.
Funny. Copy that.
This is the first Thanksgiving.
Yeah, that's right. Steve! Steve!
Hey, how's it going?
What the f-
That's not funny. I have brought you a gift. And the
My phone really does hate me today. Apparently, booty is a gift. I'll take it.
I am gay.
Okay, that's okay.
I have traveled in order to stop Thanksgiving and get Thanksgiving and give Thanksgiving and stop giving and get Turksgiving and stop giving and fuck about turkeys.
Stop giving a fuck about turkeys, and I literally have a turkey in the oven out in the kitchen at the moment. That's funny.
Herrera.
We want the food in storage. You want it? It's yours, my friend. As long
What
as
you-
you're my friend.
You did it, Reggie.
Reggie, that's it.
Saved us all.
Actually, I didn't save anyone. We made everything worse.
What the f- Okay, so this is a... Oh my god. This is... Wow. Wait, I forgot Woody Harrelson was in this. I know my brother was saying Owen Wilson was in this, but I kind of forgot, Woody Harrelson was in this as well. This is a lot of fun, names. You self-insert Jimmy Squidward. Who the fuck is that? Who's Jimmy Squidward? Tomater. I take George. What? Beanie. Kill me, David. Damn. My wayward son. Carry on, my wayward son. Jeff, Bianca, Lanka. Oh my god, that's gonna ruin me. Nicole Finajaz, Scott Wozniak for some reason. Jim Hart.
Have you heard about the bird?
I don't know if you heard in the background, it was faintly playing Surfing Bird. I'll probably have to up the volume on that so you guys could understand what I was talking about, but wow! Very nice short YouTube, very short YouTube poop. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Happy Thanksgiving to my Americans who celebrate. And if you don't celebrate, I hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm going to... Alright, I thought this was actually really funny. Nice, very good short YouTube poop. You'll love to see it. A good classic. I think I remember being introduced by MP Carlson because of, Steamed Hams in the tune of Feel Good Inc. by Gorillaz. But anyways, thank you. But that's my introduction to MP Carlson. Wow, what the f- Wow, that's crazy. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like this video if you want. Go subscribe to MP Carlson. Join my Dead subreddit, and happy Thanksgiving. Like I said, happy Thanksgiving. I hope you guys who do celebrate are having a wonderful Thanksgiving today. You guys eat some good food, watch some good foosball, babby boucher, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. And let's roll the outro.
I don't know what that is.
Hey, how about you smash right there? Smash right there. Come on, smash, yeah.